Happy holidays, everybody. How my girls and boys doing for the day? Holiday, it's Friday. It's actually, what, 3 more days before the holiday? So I'm just saying, make sure y'all take care of yourself. You're eating right, you're exercising, you're drinking your water, or you're walking and you're stretching your body, because with the holidays, we tend to go overboard with our eating habits and our drinking, which is good because I'm going to do some of that. But I'm going to still take care of myself. So make sure y'all do that. So tell me a little bit what y'all doing for the holiday down below. Let me know what y'all doing and what y'all been up to. As y'all can see, this hat that I'm wearing actually is one of my hats that I found, one of my random finds. I got this and it was really nice. It keeps my head really warm. So I decided, you know what, let me just wear it in this video so y'all can see it, all right? And as I said, make sure you stay blessed and do what you're supposed to do and take care of yourself first and foremost. So a few things that I want to share with you guys and show you what I've been up to. And let me tell you something, these stores are having some great sales. Great sales. And I don't know if you guys are finding them, but I found a few. And it's not just for a holiday. I mean, I'm giving a few of these little things to my family, and that's it. So first thing I want to show you, I have some stuff that I got at Victoria's Secrets. Ladies, they got some good sales going on, especially for the mists, the body mist and the sprays and the lotions and the oils and stuff. So let me show you what I got from Victoria's Secret, okay? So the first thing that I got is this Victoria's Secret passion, what is it? Coconut passion. My mom loves coconut scents and smells, so I got her this. And this was $5. And you know the prices on these are crazy. I think these run for like 20 something dollars. I got this for $5, and this is the coconut passion. See, so this is one of the items that I got. The next one I got, which is from the pink line of Victoria, is the pink body mist. Fresh and clean. It is really fresh and clean. When you spray this, it smells so good, really nice and fresh. And as I said, this was $5 as well. These are $5. So what I'm saying is, guys, go out and get them. Like, you can't go wrong with this. 20 something dollars compared to whatever they cost to now that it's $5. Listen, so this is another one. And the next thing that I got is this body oil. It's honey body oil by Pink as well. Can you see it? It's honey body oil. This was $8, and this on a norm, I think this was like $19 or something like that for this. This is $8. So what I'm telling you is, like, I'm just sharing where I get my good finds. So ladies, go over to Victoria's Secret and get you some. Go get you some. This is really nice. And when you lather it and you put it on your skin, let me show you how nice it gives you, that really nice glow. Let me show you real quick. Look, when you rub it on your skin. Let me stand up. See that oil? Look at that sheen and moisture that it's giving. Look at that. Really nice moisture. And it smells so good. Really nice, y'all. So that's that I got for Victoria's Secret. Now, oh, I did have another one. So actually I bought 2 of these. So here's another one. So $5. Go get you some. Go get you some, okay? So the next thing that I got is I went to I'm sorry, not TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I went to Marshalls and I was looking for some just walking around, killing some time, just looking around to see what I can get. And I actually found, you know, the what is that? It's called the Mimic the dupe that they duplicate for the brands, you know, the famous branded perfumes, expensive perfume. So this is actually, it's called, this is a hair and body mist, and it's the pistachio tonka wood. This is it right here. This is it right here. And I got this in it. It smells so good. This one is the dupe for, I'm looking at my book, so, because I don't remember what it is, but this is the dupe for the Kayali Pistachio, the number 57, and I got this for $9. And you go on the website and you see these are like 29 and whatever other prices these are going for. So this one is the number 57. Yes, 57. And it's the scent, it's called the Pistachio Tonka Wood. And it's the dupe for the Kayali Pistachio. Again, this is one of my finds that I got in Marshall's. Okay? So this is one of them. The next one that I have is the Amber Floral Wood. This is number 99. The first one was number 57. This was 57. This one is 99. This is number 99. And this is the dupe for the Baccarat Rouge. This one smells so good. When you spray this and you lather, so like if you have some nice body oil and you lather that on top of it, girl, you be smelling good all day. All day. So this is the Amber Floral Wood, and it's the dupe for the Baccarat Rouge. See? Number 99. Again, these are in Marshall's, so go get you one. Or some. Or a few. The next one that I have is the Warm Gourmand. This is number 32. Is it 32? Yes. The number 32. And this is the Warm Gourmand. And number 32 is the dupe for the Sol de Janeiro. You know what I'm talking about. This is the dupe for that. The Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. That's what it is. Y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? But this smells so nice and fresh when you come out your shower and you spray this on your body and let it air dry while you're still damp, and it just absorbs in the skin. It's really, really beautiful. All right, so this one is the number 32. All right, so this is for the SDJ. And the other one that I got is the number 52. This is the number 52. And this is the Sweet Strawberry Milk. This is the dupe for the Melanie Crybaby. This is the dupe for the Melanie Crybaby. When I tell you smell good, it smells good. Like, get all into it. Smells really good. And these are actually the spray, your body sprays. It's not the perfume. These are all the body sprays. So you, like I said, when you come out your shower and you spray while you're still damp and you air dry, it absorbs in the skin and it just gives your body a nice fresh smell. But if you also have the perfume and you blend it with that, so say you spray this first. Say you spray this one first, and then you have the perfume that they make for this, and you spray that on top of it. It's so beautiful. But you can mix it with anything. Like I said, whatever you have as a nice body oil or body spray or whatever, and you blend both, it's a good smell. So this is the number 52, and it's the dupe for the Melanie Crybaby. All right? So I got these at Marshall's. So go get you some. Go get you some before they're all gone. And the other thing that I got, I knew they carried it, but I never had one of these before. This is the body oil. So this is the number 32, which is the SDJ, the Sol de Janeiro. This is the 32 dupe for that. And this is the body oil. So if you mix, when you come out and say you spray, with the 32. So you spray with the number 32. Let me show you what I'm talking about, which is this one. So, okay, so say you come out the shower and you spray, right, with this one. And you air dry. Once you air dry and you get out and you take some of this. You take some of this oil. And it's really thick, y'all. You take some of this and rub it, like lather your body and oil yourself down and go back behind it with this on top of it. Let me tell y'all something. Yo, you gonna be smelling good all day. So this with this, go get you some. Go get you some. You can't go wrong with these. Like, I'm telling you, these are really, really good. Go get you some. So that's all I have for the sprays and body sprays and lotion and all that good stuff. But I do have something that I really, really, really love. And my mom got it for me as my Christmas gift. So I'm going to share. She told me, go ahead, because you know what? Tomorrow's not promised to anybody. Enjoy what you have. So I'm enjoying what I have, and I just want to share it with you guys, okay? So give me a minute. Stay right there. But ladies and gents, I am sure y'all know what this is. See, look at this, yo, guys. Look at this. Can y'all tell? All right, let me give you a little peek. What does it say right there? See what it says right there? Yeah. 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 That's what I'm saying. That's what it is. Look at this, y'all. Look at the deets on this. You see that? That's what I'm saying. All right, look at it. So I finally got my hands on this. Look at it. Ain't it beautiful? And here's the belt, which I think you can, it's reversible. So this is one side, and then this is the other side. Look at this. Pockets. Look at this. See what it is? Yeah. Yeah. This is it. Look at it, y'all. So I'm going to give you now a little fashion show. Let me pull this up some so y'all can see it better. All right, I'm going to give you a full view. Give you a little walk down the runway right here. But yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Baby, when I got this, I was so excited. I was so happy. I was like all over my mama. I was like, thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. Woo! Ladies. And it's so heavy. It's thick. Ooh, girls, look. 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 Let me step back. Let me step back some so y'all can see. Let me see if you're okay. Y'all can see me? Look. Look. Can you see that? Can you see me? So, it's right a little bit above my ankle. Like, this is a good length, right? This is really a good length. You put this light on. Or maybe, I don't know. I hope y'all can still see it really good. But look at this. This is the back. Let me come up closer now. Look at it. Tell me this is not what it is. Yeah, this is a little better without the light. So let me step back again. I want y'all to get the full effect of this. Like, it's long, it's big, but honey, I'm not complaining. This is gorgeous, and this is how I really wanted it. I don't like it tight when you're around your house, lounging around. You want to be cute, having your little cup of coffee, you sipping and chilling, enjoying your Christmas morning with your family. Look. What y'all think? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Beautiful. Give you a look at the back. See? You see what it says, right? Mm-hmm. Nice. Really, really good quality. Like I said, you know what to do if you want this. Y'all know what to do if you want this, right? Nice. Beautiful. So, all I'm saying is, go get you one of these too. And go get yourself some of these sprays and mists. And when you spray and put that on and you throw this on top of that, yo, nobody can tell you nothing, nothing, nothing. Like, this is what it is, y'all. I am so loving this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Stay blessed, stay safe, and always remember to love yourself. Be true to yourself, and thank God for giving you the opportunity to wake up each and blessed morning. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If I don't see you before, I'm hoping I come back before the new year. But if not, I want to wish you all a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a safe and blessed New Year. And we'll chat again. But this is one of the best ones ever. Too good. Too good.